Uh, Welcome back to fifth video of chapter 5. Hope all of you are in a good health. Today I'm going to discuss about spell check, correcting a spelling using the quick menu option and dialog box option. Previous class I explained about deleting a text box, inserting equation, frequently used equations. So now let us discuss one by one. So now you are able to delete a text box. I'm also going to open the Word document that you can easily understand. So now type the insert box word Word and you can see here the word Microsoft Word 2000. So now how to create a text box. Just go to insert. Then here you can find out the text box. Yes, here it is available. You can use either the drop top text box or you can use the built-in. You can also just change for do the formatting. Can modification here also you can change the you can use the save tool here. This way you can save fill options we have used and also shape outline. Just need to click here and shape outline we can change. Here you can see the border. We can simply change the border. So now clear. We can also move from one place to another place. All of you have learned this as and the styles we can see here different shape styles we have already discussed. Now space deleting a text box and formula, how can we insert equation symbols we can use uh, and inserting equations we have now going to this spell check. Why we use spell check? So Microsoft Word provides a decent spelling and grammar checker, which enables you to search for the correct all spelling and grammar mistakes in your document. So Word is intelligent enough to identify misspelled or misused as well as grammar errors and underline them as follows. This is very helpful when we are going to uh, write a story or message and when we write any mis any wrong spelling, Microsoft Word uh, has an option. It's highlight that particular word with a spelling or we say that is the grammatically mistakes or so we will see how we can understand the error first. So first of all, the red underline beneath a spelling error. So when we find something, when we write the thing, a red underline beneath a spelling error. Just see, I'm just going to write the word. Just going to delete. How can we delete? Select and delete option. Just I'm going to write down TOMOR. So once I into the wrong word. Uh, so you can see I have written a wrong spelling. In that case, what we see, there is a red underline beneath a spelling error. This is a spelling error. A green underline with grammar errors. So when we see sometimes the green underline, then this is the mistakes of the grammar. And the blue line under correctly spelled but misused error. So we can find out these types of error: red underline, green underline, and RGB, red, green, and blue. So R for the spelling errors, green for the grammar, G for grammar, E for green, and the blue line is correctly explained, but misused word. Blue for misused. Okay. So this chapter you will able to find out how we can, just when we going to write something and you see there is an option how we can remove the error. So first of all, when you find such type of error, red baby that disappears and incorrect spelling is replaced with the correct spelling. So I'm just going to right click here and see here, you can see the options here. Tomorrow there is a various options we get, and also here you can see the spelling. So there is a suggestion. If there are more mistakes, multiple mistakes in the document, we can just, there is an option here, ignore all, change all. If so, if you want to change this word, you can just replace with the, change this number by the correct one. So now you can see the correct. So right click on the underlined word to view the correction. So what we can do, Control Z. First we need to right click on the underlined word, right? And once underlined, select the correct spelling from the pop-up menu. Right click. So this pop-up menu, you can see we have an option, this one. And red baby line disappeared and incorrect spelling in the replaced with the correct spelling. So this is the option we have. Tomorrow here options, and you can just replace with this. So you can see the disappeared. Now another important point is here how correcting spelling in the quick menu option. So we can use the quick menu to modify the misspelled text quickly and easily. Right click the misspelled word and the menu appears. The menu will display the correct word from which you can select the appropriate words. So when we see the what we need to do, just when quick menu to modify misspelled text quickly and easily. First need to right click here, right click over the misspelled word, and the menu appears here. The menu will display the correct word. No? So when we right click, it displays the correct word, and if there is an option where you can select the appropriate option. So this is the right click on this. So there is an also various spelling suggestions, gives suggestion for correcting the misspelled word. Another is the ignore options, as you see here. You can see the various options when the spelling. So a spelling suggestion you can see here different: ignore all, add to directory, lookups. So various options. Add the word to the custom dictionary, add to the dictionary, please, and ignore all, ignore that word and every other instance of that word. So if you just don't want, if you think this is the correct and don't need to change, you can just, okay. So this dialog box is options quick menu, you can see, Now we have the another important option, that is the dialog box option. Dialog box options, using the dialog box option little more time consuming, but we have more options for correcting misspelled word. Okay. So we just see the options here, different options when you right click. First one is the, but we have used the first when you just right click of it, and this is the so once we click over the click on the spelling and grammar, you can see also here with this one spelling and grammar this option, grammar option we find out, and this way you can find it also in this one. So first we need to when you search, you can see here the not in a suggestion box. Here there is a suggestion box here. Yeah. And also, apart from the quick menu option, dialog box include some of the options like ignore once options, and you can see the change option, change all. So ignore that particular occurrence of that word. If you just want to ignore the particular word and move further, changes the word of the selected suggestion, you can change that particular word, and next one is the change all. If you have a same mistakes, is one word multiple times we have written, and there is a mistakes in that word, we can just replace change all identical misspelling to the selected suggestion. And a spell check, we will once you complete, we can do this the whole document, so it will say when a spell check is complete in the dialog box appears. So if you have multiple occurrence of this word, we can just select and move further, move next, we can find out. And this option we can just see here the, this is the options where we can find out. See that option. So this is the option here. You can find out the review tab and spelling grammar. This is the text, and we can just do it. Change all, autocorrect, no. So various options we have. I hope it is clear to all of you. Thanks for watching the video. Bye for now.